Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Sir, we are all fine.
Fine, thank you, sir.
How are you children? So Lalit, so can you please tell how to mark 3.765 on the number line? So नहीं आप यहाँ ना जाए. Yes. Have you all done with the homework?
Yes, sir, but I don't know where to post it in classwork.
No, no, no. Look at you just
Sure, but I don't understand. Sir, and I have a doubt in the textbook sums, sir, one of the textbook sums.
okay. Guys, how many of you did it? Okay, guys. See, Nitya, you can post your homework through WhatsApp to me, and if at all you're not able to do that, so post it to me in WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, Nitya.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Lalit.
Sir, today I won't be able to turn.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yes, sir.
Lalit was asking some questions. So tomorrow I posted a tomorrow's timetable. I mean exam. What was the question? 3.765. How to represent on a number line? Is this the question?
So this is from the textbook, right, sir?
Sorry.
So this question is from the textbook examples. No. This is from the question, right? So exercise.
Yeah, Lalit, it was. It is from the textbook only, right?
Sir, I think my textbook is different. I'm living in another country, so that's why.
Where you are living?
Sir, in Qatar, sir.
Okay. So okay. Anyway, so visualize. I mean, representing this on the number line by using successive magnification.
Using magnification, sir?
Yes. Basically, in this type of question, what we do is we start by using successive magnification and successively decreases the length of the portions. Okay. For suppose, look at this is what I'm trying to say here. First of all, let us write a number line. Let us draw a number line. So what is that? So first here 0, -1, -2, -3, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7. Okay. See where this number lies between? It lies between where?
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
So 3 and 4.
Right?
3.4.
3.7 and 3.8.
Yes. So first of all, what you have to do here? Firstly, you have to find the number 3 and 4. Yes, I just found the 3 and 4 on the number line. And look at this here. If you find, look at it, I just found the number 3 and 4, right? Let me write 3 here, 4 here. I took that portion alone separately. And what exactly you have to do here, beta? See, you have to divide the gap between 3 and 4 into 10 parts. Okay, how many parts? You have to divide
Yes,
into 10 parts.
10 parts. Then
Okay.
each 3.1, 3.2.
Yes. Let's write 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 like that. Am I showing the screen? Yeah. 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and 4. Correct? This is how I just,
Yes, sir.
divide into 10 parts. Correct? Yes. So 3.765. 765. So where it will be lying now? 765. So it will
In
be lying
between
somewhere.
3.7 and
3.7 and
3.8.
3.8.
Yes. It will be lying somewhere here.
So like you have to show approximate value.
Okay, it lies between here. 1 second. Yes, it lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Correct? See, if you see, guys, like more observe, like more precisely, if you see the number which we have got 3.765, it lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Correct? Again, better look at this here. Again, we have to divide this gap into 10 parts again. Getting my point? If I'm explaining you very, very detailedly. Okay. So how to just take 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, 3.8. Correct? So this is how we'll be dividing that into 10 equal parts. Correct? Okay. Yes. So basically, look at this here. Again, 3.6 or 3.765, right? 3.765 lies between where? 765. 3.765 lies between this
3.76 and
6 and
3.77.
3.77.
all right. Again dividing this gap into 10 equal parts. Very simple. Correct? How to divide that? 3. First of all, look at this.
So 3.7 3.751.
3.761,
Yes, sir.
762. Okay. 3 point.
So then we'll get 5 and we have to mark it.
4, 3.765, 3.766, and so on till 3.77. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm not
Yes,
writing
sir.
everything. So I'm right. See. So where is that 3.765? This is what the the number which is asking us to find out. I'm just marking that.
Yes, sir. So
Therefore,
also can you like tell how to like mark root 9.3 on the number line?
Sir, I
huh?
have two doubts, sir. How can we mark root 5 on the number line? And second one is how can we mark 0.7 which has a bar on it? How to mark these two on number line?
See here 0.7 bar on the number line is what? What is the meaning of that?
I didn't get you, sir. Can you repeat?
No, what I'm asking is 0.7 bar on the, what is the meaning of that?
0.77777.
Huh. It was what? 0. It is what? 0.777777 and goes on. Correct? Huh.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let me show it to you once. Zero 0.7 bar. No, close it. It's fine, it's fine. 1 second, guys. Yeah, fine. Okay, Lalit, 1 second. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
So I had a doubt in two questions. I sent it to your WhatsApp. Can you explain it after this?
Okay, just a minute, beta. Yes. Yes, are you here, guys? Fine. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. Guys, what we were discussing? 0.7 bar, how to represent. Basically, look at this, boy. First of all, you have to convert into fraction form. How can you convert into fraction form?
So like you have to take this as x and then 10x and then it will be 7.7 bar and then 10x minus x which will be 7.7 bar minus 0.7 bar. So it will be 7/9.
Yes. Look at it, 0.7. How can you write it to fraction? Tell me. See, the number of repeated term is what here?
Sir, one like one. decimal.
It is repeating again and again and again, right? You have a, you see, we have seen already this 0.777 bar. Look at it. First of all, you write 0.7. How do you write 0.7? How do you just plot a 0.7 here? Before
Sir,
this,
like between 0.8 and 9. I mean 0.6 and 8. Sir, between 0.6 and 0.8.
Basically, look at this, beta. Here, you have to convert it as 0.3 bar can be written as what 3/9 into fractions. 0.7 bar
Yes,
can
sir,
be
this
written as
is
what
7/9, sir. This
7
is
by
7
9.
by 9.
So 7/9.
Yes.
Correct. Now 7/9 can be represented as how?
Sir, it will be like we can mark it on the number line. Sir.
In between 9 and 10, 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9.
Yes, sir. Then
Yes.
7/9 will come and then we have to mark it.
That's it. Hope it is clear.
So,
And
like, can you tell like root 20 and root 9.3?
sorry.
Yes, sir. How to like mark irrational numbers like root 5, root 10, which has root, how do we mark it on the number line? Root 5, root 9.3.
Okay. Root numbers. Any root numbers. That is
Yes.
what your question.
Yes.
Very simple,
So,
beta. Look
like,
at it.
can you first tell root 20 and root 9.3?
Anything is fine. Look at it here. Everything will be having a value, right? Okay. So first of all, let me take a simple example. I'll tell you how to represent root 2 on the number line. How can we represent this? How can we represent this?
No idea, sir.
Very simple, quite simple. What is the root 2 value actually?
Sir, like, I know how to
1.414.
mark root 2.
1.414.
Correct. 1.414. We have a quite interesting method here. You have a quite interesting. Let me tell you one thing. First of all,
Here we have to mark it between 1 and 2.
1 minute. Let me finish. Then you talk. Don't talk in between. Everyone, please. Everyone, try to listen to me. Don't talk in between any one of you. Yes. Yes. This is -2, -1, 0, 1. Correct? Yes. Basically, let's make a base here first. See, we have to make a base by using right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem. We can still solve, still represent the root 2 on the number line. So let's make a base part. So this is, let me take this is O point and this is A point here. 0 to 1, I'm taking 1 unit, beta. I'm taking any 1 unit here. Okay. 0 to A is how many units? 1 unit, right? Good. Now look at here. Let me just draw the height. Consider this as B. Okay. Consider this as B. Joining these two now. If I join these two, what you're going to get? If you join that, what are you going to get? AB is what here?
Straight line.
Correct?
One unit.
AB is equal to what? 1 unit, beta. Clear? And AB is perpendicular to what? And we know that
Yes, sir. Then we have to with
Sir, AB is BO.
AB is perpendicular to
Sir, this is with like compass, right?
AB is perpendicular to OA. This is perpendicular symbol OA. Correct? Now I'm joining OB. I joined that. So
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
one second. OA is what one here, and OB you have to find out. And AB value is what 1 unit. Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem says?
A square plus B square is equals to C square. Hypotenuse, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the squares of the other two sides.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, this is with compass, right? Like,
OA square plus AB square. Just a minute, 1 second. I'm just telling you an idea how to plot the number line. Okay, 0B square. 0 OB square. How much? We need to find out that. OB is equal to square root of OA square plus AB square. Quite simple. So OB is equal
Sir,
to
how did you not write square for OB, sir?
if you wait, I'll tell you. Let me finish this, then I'll just come to you. Okay. Please kindly do not talk in between. I'll just tell everyone. Okay. This is what I got OB. Now look at this here. What is this length now? I got this length as root 2 units. Correct? OB I got root 2 length. So now that root 2 length I got this right OB. And the number line, what you have to do? Just take that OB and just you have this dotted line, right? Just tilt that line on the number line like this. Just mark on the number line. Somewhere it will be clear.
so like measure the length
We
with the scale and then
keep a compass over here. We keep a compass over here, and we just what's happening here? Where is not coming out? See guys, can you see what I'm writing here? See guys, we put a compass here with OB length. We mark an arc somewhere here. Look at like this. Correct? Oh my goodness. Mark an arc length. See, it is not looking like arc, but consider it as arc. Put a compass on
so
all
like
ways.
now can you say root
Just
20?
mark a arc. Okay. Let us consider this as point. Let us consider this as points. Okay.
Sir, what is the length of the arc we are taking?
Yes, now tell me what is the problem?
So now can you like say root 20 and root
Sir, I have
9.3?
a doubt over here, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, here, how did you cancel in OB while doing the Pythagoras theorem? How did you cancel OB in OB square? You did not have square, and how did you insert square root of that part? I didn't understand, sir.
It is a basic thing actually. Okay, look at this here. Whenever you have something x square is equal to 1, what do you write this as? Let's say that whenever you have square on the left hand side, better look at this here. OB square is equal to OA square plus OB square I have here. So I have square here, right? I'm shifting that square to the right hand side. It becomes what? It becomes what? OA square plus OB square all to the power of 1 by 2. So OB becomes that square all to the power of 1 by 2 becomes a square root like this. Understood now? This is how I just did that. This
Sir,
2
and
shifting to the right hand side.
Okay, sir.
Yes, make it fast, guys.
Sir, and while drawing the Pythagoras
Son,
triangle, like the right angle triangle on that number line, I didn't understand like how should we draw it with a compass or a scale or freehand? That part I'm not understanding.
Which one? That arc you mean?
No, sir. Right angle. Should we direct? Is it okay if we do it directly with scale, or should we take
Scale, look
compass
at
and build a triangle?
No. You have to take 1 unit length. That is what I'm telling. 1 unit length here. What is the length here? 1. You take 1 unit length here. Whatever the length you have here, same. You measure it and draw with the scale. That's it.
Sir, but AB is not 1 unit, no, sir.
That is what ma. AB unit we took. Okay, AB unit we took 1 unit. Since OA1, I took this as 1 unit. You take with the scale only. No problem. Next, you tell me Lalit.
1, sir.
Sir, can you like tell how to do like root 20 and root 9.3?
Every value you will be having a value. Root 20 value will be having root. Every value you will be having a decimal. Okay, you'll be having a decimal number. So how do you
Sir, so
how?
OA and AB both 1 unit we have to take and we have to do, sir.
Yes.
Like with drawing with scale also we should take 1 unit and only construct right angle triangle.
Yes. See, beta, in right angle triangle, what is that? This side, look at this. OA, OB, I took 1 unit and I just found OB length. Correct? Understood my point? Since the what is a gap, what is the unit, what is the length you have? OA length is what? 1 unit. Understood my point?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you once show how to do root 9.3?
Okay. One, I think someone of you have sent me something. We just drawn AB that AB length to 1 unit beta. Okay, we just drawn AB length to 1 unit and just that is how we just represented. And if I want to represent square root of -2, how do you represent? Square root of
Sir,
-2.
same thing, but towards the left side of the drawing, the negative number.
Yes, sir. What's the left side of the zero number
That's
line?
it. We just represent on the left side of the number with same thing. Okay, clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like, can you tell how to mark root 9.3?
Yes. If you wait, I'll just tell you. First of all, guys, look at this here. Marking root numbers. I mean, marking what? Root. All root numbers are what type of numbers? What is your question?
9.3, sir.
9.3. 9.3, beta, look at this here. Quite simple. Let me tell you. Let's write here. Root square root of 9.3. Correct? First of all, draw a number line like this. Any number line. Okay. So what is the length of this? First of all, let us draw any line segment which is having 9.3 units length. Fine? Yes. Okay. So what I did here, first of all, let us mark A, B, C, and let me take, or else you do one thing here.
Sir, they all should be equal length A, B, and C.
No, need not to be that. I'll tell you, wait. Guys,
I'm not able to write smoothly with this pen. Just a minute. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Look at this. I took some random number and number line beta like this. And what is the length of this? 9.3. And basically what you have to do here is, and you extend this, let me say this as AB beta, okay? And 9.3 units length I took, line segment. And you
I
extend this
cannot
B to
hear you,
one more
sir.
unit. See, no one should talk in between. Kindly please do not talk anything in between. If I finish discussing, please should talk after that. Okay, I'll be just extending this B to one more unit and just pointing this as point as C. Okay, let us draw. Yes. Yes, I just extended 1 unit. Let us draw a semicircle. Okay, and let me draw a semicircle, but I think I shouldn't take this much length. I cannot draw a semicircle. Let me take a simple thing where we can draw the semicircle easily. This is my 9.3 length. Let's consider this is A, this is and B here. I extended B to one more unit, and let us consider this as C. Okay, great. Now beta here 9.3, right? So let us draw a semicircle, join this A and C like this. Okay, and first of all, you extend this B here. If I extend this B like this and mark this point as some D point, correct? Great. I'm drawing one more arc such that BE, which is equal to BD. Look at this, I'm drawing an arc E like this, where BE is equal to BD. Understood my point? Draw one more arc where BE is equal to BE. ED is what we know? ED. ED how much? BE. I just
Sir, ED is like equal to B.
square root of 9.3. That is what my the thing square root of 9.3. So and better look at this here. BE. This BE length I have, right? This is what my square root of 9. Okay, this is how we can represent. If at all you're drawing in your exam something like this, that is quite enough to represent the square root of numbers and number line. Lalit, got the point, Lalit?
Sir, so like B is 9.3, right? Root 9.3.
Sorry?
So the length of the line B is root 9.3, right?
Yes, B is square root of 9.3. See here, what I have done here. First, I drawn AB line segment, which is having 9.3 units. I extended with 1 unit, extended by 1 unit, and such that BC became as 1 unit. Correct? This BK became as 1 unit. Great. Now here, better look at this here. I have A here and C here. I just found the midpoint of AC. Okay, and drawing a BD perpendicular to AB, drawing a BD perpendicular to AB, and I'm drawing a intersection. I'm drawing a semicircle. Okay, at point D, it is somewhere it is intersecting like this. Okay, at point D, it is intersecting. Correct. Now drawing a DE, beta, drawing this DE, drawing a DE such that where BE is equal to BD. Okay, I'm drawing with this length. I'm drawing one more. With this length, I'm drawing one more arc, which is BE is equal to BD. Correct? Understood my point? Yes. Now,
Sir, so B is equal to BD, right?
BE is equal to
BD.
BD. Sorry, I wrote BD here. So
Yes,
ED
sir,
here.
you wrote ED.
My goodness, I'm sorry, beta. BE is equal to BD. BE is equal to BD, which is 9 point. This is how this is quite enough to represent. Therefore you can say that BE is equal to square root of 9 to 3. This is how you represent quite enough. This is how the
Sir, in previous question, you like took out Pythagoras theorem and did that. No, sir, in this question you did not do. And one more thing, I didn't understand. AB is 9.3 units means in scale from 1 to 9.3 we have to draw. 0 to 9.3 we have
you
to draw.
can't hear you properly. Please talk loudly.
No, sir. My doubt is like in the previous question. Sir, like you said, A to B is 9.3 units, no, sir. So 9.3 units means in scale, should we like keep from 0 to 9.3 or 1 1 to 9.3.
Ma, actually, how do you represent a scale? Actually, how do you use that scale? I'll take what wherever use from the first point to 9 point, wherever the 9.3 it shows, I'll just mark that from the first point. From the first point, whatever the first point you have, from the 0. Clear?
Yes, sir. Like I was
Ah.
asking. Okay. And
Very
one
simple.
more
Ah.
thing, sir.
Hmm.
I didn't understand like about the arcs part, sir. After you like drew BD, after that I didn't understand a bit after you have drawn BD.
See, beta, what I have done here is it's a quite simple. It is a quite simple. Look at this. We have drawn perpendicular this BD, right? BD is perpendicular to AB. Correct? You agree with my point? It is intersecting at a point called D. Okay? I'm drawing this DE beta. Look at this here. I'm drawing an arc with the length which you have here. Okay, the length which you have here, I'm drawing an arc. Okay, from this point, I'm drawing an arc such that this BE is equal to BD. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. So like the radius is BD to draw the second
Exactly,
arc.
the radius is BD. Why? Because
Yes.
look at this, beta, if you consider this circle, look at this here. If this will be the circle here, what is the radius here? Let us say this is my center BD. Okay.
B is the center, sir.
B is the
9.3 is the radius, sir.
So B with the radius BD, I just drawn that R.
Sir, so like E should be 9.3, right? E should be root 9.3.
Sorry.
Sir, E should be root 9.3, right? Not BE, it should be E because.
No, BE only. BE, this length only. Look at this here. This length only. This length is what?
Okay, sir.
This length is 1. This length is square root of 9 √3. Correct only we did. So better see here in exam, whenever they ask, this is how you represent in exam, you will get full marks. Okay. Yes, guys, and one more thing here. Whenever you get representing √3, √2 on the number line, you please use the Pythagoras theorem concept. Let's say √3. How to represent √3 on the number line? How to represent √3 on the number line?
Draw 3 units A to B, sir. Then after that we should form.
Sir, like first have to draw √2, sir, and
to B, sir.
sir,
Then after
sir, first have to draw √2, and then from √2 we can draw a perpendicular line.
we have to first take 3 units from A to B, sir. In the same length, we have to take and draw a line perpendicular to AB, which is to be known as BC. No, sir, from B to C on the same line, we have to keep 1 unit. After that, the length equal to AB, we have to draw a straight line of BD. From BD, that length we have to take as radius 3 units, and we have to draw arc with compass. Then BE as the √3.
Right. So this is how we can.
Sir, but like we can also do like first we have to draw √2, and then from √2
Yes,
we can draw.
absolutely. I completely agree with that. Yes, even you do like that. √2 and √3, correct. Okay, guys, it's quite simple. Look at this here. The graph will be somewhere. If you just take this as O and take this as B, take this as what can I say? This is point A. This is point B. Okay, this is a Pythagoras theorem OB. 1 second, guys. OB, something like this. Okay, and making an arc, taking point D somewhere here, like C here, mark this point C, taking D somewhere here again, join this, drawing an arc like this. Okay, just drawing an arc, this arc as well. This is perpendicular, in fact. This is √2. This is √3. This is how the diagram will come, as you said, like √2 then √3. This is how it comes.
Yes,
if you just draw that, if you do not get ask me again, this is how your diagram will be √2, √3. Go and try it once. Is it clear,
Sir,
people?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you do the same method you did for √9.3? Take A to B as 3.
Yes, beta, you can try. See here, what is your name? Nitya, you just do one thing. You try and send me the solution in WhatsApp. There are so many doubts to discuss. please let us clarify their doubts also. Many students have posted their doubts. So let us go with that. You try to one, you do one thing, you just try and just send me in WhatsApp. Okay, today.
Okay, sir.
So next people they have posted a message in the, just a minute, be in line. I just want to download that. Yes. Which question? Which question? I think someone has sent the question here. Who's that? In WhatsApp.
Sir Zoya.
Yes, tell me which question.
So both the questions 2 and 3.
Can you please send that in WhatsApp so that it is easy for us to write? No problem. Let me write here. What is that? So that cube root of ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to cube root of a plus cube root of b plus cube root of c. Okay, is it clear? This is what the question is. It clear? And given that ax cube is equal to by cube is equal to cz cube, and 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 1. Correct? Yes. So, but I do not know. Let us consider this ax cube plus by cube plus cz cube is equal to k. Okay. Yes. Let us consider this as k. Now, what is x is going to be, beta? Ax cube is equal to k. Similarly, by cube is equal to k, and cz is equal to k. So a is equal to x is equal to what, beta? K by a all to the power of 1 by 3. Correct? Y is equal to what? K by b all to the power of 1 by 3. Z is equal to what? K by c all to the power of 1 by 3. Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this is what I just wrote here. Now just a minute, people can't hear me. Now hope you can hear me properly. Can you hear me now clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So x, y, z given to you. And now what we have to show here? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 1. To prove. Okay. So 1 by x. So 1 by x is nothing but what now?
1 by k by a.
1 by k by a to the power of. So simply
1 by
1 by 3, sir. 1 by k by power of 1
this
by
is how we
3.
can write reciprocal. It will be reciprocally. Or else if you
Yes,
want
sir.
One
A by k whole 1 by 3.
plus 1 by to the power of 1 by 3, b to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by k to the power of 1 by 3 divided by c to the power of 1 by 3. You have to show this as 1. Correct? Now look at it. It will be reciprocally 1 a to the power of 1 by 3, b to the power of 1 by 3, c to the power of 1 by 3 divided by k to the power of 1 by 3, which is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now k to the power of 1 by 3 is what, beta? Shifting right hand side, it becomes a to the power of 1 by 3 plus b to the power of 1 by 3 plus c to the power of 1 by 3. Who has asked this now? What is your name? The girl who has asked this doubt, what is her name? Shreya.
Sir Zoya.
Huh? Who's that?
Zoya.
What is your name? Zoya Ali. Okay, okay. Zoya. Good, Zoya.
Zoya.
Yeah. Yes, Zoya. So you understood this, Zoya? Till this?
Yes, sir.
Let us mark this as star equation. Okay. And what he has given? Cube root of this one. Cube root of this one given to you. Let us write that. Cube root of ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to square root cube root of a to the power of 1 by 3. X value. What is x value here? What is x square? X square. What is x value? Where do we
Sir,
k
k by
k
k
by a
to the power 1 by 3 by a to the power 1
Yes,
by
sir.
3.
that can
K
be
to
written
the
as k to the
power
power of 2
k
by
by
3.
a power of 1 by 3.
2 by 3, correct? K to the power of 2 by 3. So c to the power of 1 by 3 into k to the power of 2 by 3. But here x value is k by a to the power of 1 by 3. Now x square is going to be what? K by a to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. So it becomes what? X square is equal to k by a whole to the power of 2 by 3. This is my x square, right? So that is what I wrote here. Look at this. Clear?
Sir, I didn't understand a part of this question.
Where?
Sir, can you just go up once?
Okay.
A little more. Yes, sir. Like here, how did you get a to the power 1 by 3 plus b to the power 1 by 3 plus c to the power 1 by 3 by k to the power 1 by 3? I didn't understand how you got that step.
Reciprocal this. Reciprocal this, you will get it. So if you have something like this x by y, what is the answer of this? Y only, right? Y by x only, right? What is the answer of this? If you have two fractions
Sir,
in the
that doesn't. Sir, then 2 by 3 is not equals to 3 by 2, no, sir.
yes, ma, you see, try to understand here. 1 by x by y. If you have something like this, beta, this can be written as y by x. That is what I did here. Clear? What I did here, look at this here. This will go up a to the power of 1 by 3 by k to the power of 1 by 3, b to the power of 1 by 3 divided by k to the power of 1 by 3, c to the power of 1 by 3 by divided by k to the power of 1 by 3. K to the power of 1 by 3 is a common everywhere. So I wrote one time. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt like this. Now, look, did you understand this?
Sir, but
From
where did we prove it that it is 1, sir? We still did not.
Sorry?
Prove it, sir. We still did not prove it that it is.
Can't hear you. Talk loudly, please.
Sir, we still did not prove it that it is equal to 1, no, sir.
Where? We didn't prove it. We have to prove. That is what question. Wait, ruko zara. We have to prove that. Look at this here. This is what I got. I'm clarifying your doubt. You got a doubt in this stuff. I'm explaining about only that step. Okay, let's get into the further question. Okay, so this is what I just got here. Now your cube root of k to the power of 2 by 3 is common everywhere. So a to the power of 1 by 3 plus b to the power of 1 by 3 plus c to the power of 1 by 3 here. Correct? So now cube root of k to the power of 2 by 3 into guys, what is the answer of this? A to the power of 1 by 3 plus b to the power of 1 by 3 plus c to the power of 1 by 3. Answer is what? Look at it here. From the star equation,
C whole to the power 1 by 3.
k to the power of 1 by 3. From the star equation, I can write this as k to the power of 1 by 3. Since from the star equation. Okay. So now cube root of this one, k to the power of 2 by 3. Bases are same. I'm adding the powers. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 by 3. So it becomes simple k.
3 which is 1.
So k, correct? So cube root of k I got. Cube root of, oh my goodness. Cube root of k I got. So cube root of k is nothing but what? Cube root of k is nothing but what?
What, sir?
See here, cube root of k is nothing but from the this one, this cube root of, look at it, k to the power of cube root of k is what? Cube root of k is a to the power of 1 by 3, b to the power of 1 by 3, and c to the power of 1 by 3. This is what I got from the star equation.
Sir,
Now,
sir,
cube,
k to the power 1 by 3 is that, sir, not root.
one second, please. So this can be written as k to the power of 1 by 3. What was that? K to the power of 1 by 3 is what? K to the power of 1 by 3 plus b to the power of 1 by 3 plus c to the power of 1 by 3. Correct? So since from the star equation, what star equation says here? 1 k to the power of 1 by 3 is equal, or you say this as cube root of k, which was equal to a to the power of 1 by 3 plus b to the power of 1 by 3 plus c to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, that was my star equation. This can be written as what? K to the power of 1 by 3 or not? Isn't it? So this equal to what? This one from the star equation.
Can it be written as k to the power 1 by 3?
You talk loudly, ma. Please talk loudly.
Sir, means in place of 2, if in place of 3, if 2 was there, k to the power 1 by 2.
Sorry, I didn't get your question. In place of?
Sir, here if we have like cube root of, sorry, k in root, we have 3, no sir. 3 root k, no sir.
Hmm.
So in place of 3, if 2 was there, then we would get k to the power 1 by 2.
Yes, that is what I told several times. Same thing. Same thing I told several times. Yes, you are right. Okay. So now
Oh.
here this can be written as k to the power of 1 by 3 only. K to the power of 1 by 3 answer is this one. So now after solving, what was that? This is my LHS. Now look at it. This after solving this, what I got? This one. So cube root of ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to this one. So hence proved. Now let me write this as cube root of ax square plus by square. Zoya got it? This can be written as what now? A to the power 1 by 3 can be written as cube root of a or not? Plus cube root of b or not? Cube root of c or not? This is how I can just prove this. LHS is equal to RHS. Any doubts?
I understood, sir.
Any doubt, guys?
Sir, and I have one question doubt in. Sir, I have one question doubt in the homework problem, sir.
Yes. And many of you guys look at this. If you observe this properly, here we have x square. So x square is nothing but k by a to the power of 2 by 3. Okay. X square is nothing but what? Where is the x value? Here x value is this much beta. X square is what? K by a to the power of 2 by 3 is your x square. Okay.
So 1 by 3, no, sir.
My square I'm doing, that is, look at, there is a difference between x and x square. I'm doing x square here, correct? X square is equal k by a to the power of 2 by 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? So that is how I just got this. Just a minute, children.
Sir, can you once go up? Sir?
Yes, yes. Please copy this.
Sir, and if we have to find two irrational numbers between root 3 and 2, how can we find?
Can't hear you. Hello. Can't hear you.
Sir, if we have to find two irrational numbers between root 3 and 2, how to find, sir?
Can you repeat the question again?
Find two irrational numbers between root 3 and 2. This is the question, sir.
5?
Sir, in WhatsApp I sent.
Okay.
So like, can you go up and explain from like the second step?
What's up? They have sent in WhatsApp. What is that? Yes. Guys, the question is find the irrational numbers between root 3 and root 2. 2. That is the question, correct?
Yes, sir. Find irrational numbers between root 3 and. Yes, sir. Find two irrational numbers between root 3 and 2.
One second, guys. Someone of you. Adya, tell me, Adya. I think Adya is texting me. Okay. Root 3 and what, beta? 2 or root 2?
No, sir. Normal. Normal 2, sir.
Yes. What is root 3 here? Root 3 is nothing but 1.732.
Yes, sir.
And root 2 is what? 1.4.
1.414.
Yes. Now we can write n
Sir.
number of, if you can write n number of rational numbers between these, because there are infinite numbers between the irrational and rational numbers, correct? So
Yes, sir.
that is, we have to write, look at this here, beta. 2 is this one, 2 is this one. Look at this. Where is that? Yeah. We have to write the rational numbers. Look at this. What is that? N number of numbers between these two numbers, this and this, correct? N number of, you can write it. Look at this here, beta. And one more thing you can do here. It should be terminating. It should be terminating and no, it should be terminating or not terminating but repeating. Understood my point? See here, if it is root 2, then we have to write the irrational numbers between 1.414 and 1.732, correct? There are many infinite numbers between these two numbers. All right.
Yes.
Infinite number, that to what? The rational and irrational numbers. Infinite number of rational and irrational numbers are there between these two numbers. Now, what you have to do? That is just greater than. What is the just greater than 1.414 and less than 1.732? It should be terminating or non-terminating. So this is how we can do beta. And yes, guys, please let me stop the class here. I'm having a class at 6:30 exactly for your seniors, 11th, 12th standard. So let me join that beta. So if anything, we can discuss in the next class. I thought of discussing new topic today, but you asked a doubt, so please. Okay, guys. So hope it is clear. So let's make a move now. We'll meet in the next session, and then goodbye.
Sir,
Yes, someone.
will you clarify this doubt in the next session?
Yes, sir.
What is the doubt?
No, sir. This one, root 3 and 2.
That is what, ma. What is there again? This is what. Look at it. I just already told, right? Root 3 is what? 1.732. 2 is what? 2.
So like there's an example of an irrational number can be
Infinite number of irrational numbers would be there between those two numbers which you are asking, Nitya.
Sir, but I did not say root 2, sir. I only Sir, I did not say root 2, sir. I only said
That is
normal
what
2.
that is what I'm saying. But normal 2 only. Even normal 2 also find there would be infinite number of things.
Yes, sir. Like 1.8018001.
Like that one point. Let's say that 1.732 you have it. 1.73289. This is also irrational number only, right? There will be infinite number of like that. That is the answer, Nitya.
Sir, like means 1.414 and between 1.414 and 2 we have to
Again, I can't hear you. Please, whenever you talk, please keep your.
Sir, means 1.4 between 1.414 and 2 we have to find like 1.4150500 like that.
No, look at this. What I'm
Can
saying
we
is,
leave if you have no doubt?
please, you others can leave. I have another class. Look at this here. Look at this here, beta. Here, this is root 2, root 3. There will be infinite number of numbers I said. Now you are asking root 3 and 2, correct? This is 1.732. This is 2. Look at this here. You take any number 1.732589. This is also irrational number or not? It is non-terminating. Look at
Yes,
it. It goes
sir.
on like. There would be some many like that. I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. Catch the point.
Okay, sir.
That is the answer.
Understood.
There will
Okay,
be-
sir.
You just try. There will be many, infinite. So that is the answer to your question. Okay, children. Thank you. Let meet in the next session. Hope it is clear.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good day.